Please go to Google search. In Google search, you just go to the YouTube. We are going to start a YouTube channel. So first we go to YouTube, then sign in Gmail account. So for a particular specific account, so I am having one particular account for this Gmail account that I am using for this YouTube channel. So I am just entering the password. You enter the password and next. Then you sign in, then you have to first check the channel. So your channel. So here you can write the name of your channel. Write the channel name. So I am giving the name as Jack's Online Courses. You can give your own channel name, then create channel. Then you go to YouTube Studio Beta or customize channel, but here we will go to YouTube Studio. So you can change this name even in Google Mail. So my name is coming directly. So you can give the name of the YouTube channel, that is also enough. Otherwise in customized channel art, so you can create the name of the channel also. YouTube Studio Beta, open it. Then got it. Here you can upload the videos. So here dashboard is there, videos are there, analytics is there, comments, transcriptions, other features are there in this one. So just go to Creator Studio Classics. So skip that. Then here you open the channel. You have to in the channel status and features. See here, copyright status, you have 0 copyright strikes. So generally you go through the copyright things. Then here you have to, this one is copyright strikes are there, then it will show it. Community guideline status is there. In community guideline status you go through, and copyright status also you go through. Then create the YouTube channel, YouTube videos. So uploading enabled. So now we will be enabling monetization. Enable. Then you are having, these are the 4 things you are getting. Apply for monetization. So then first one is read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. Second one is sign up for AdSense. Third one is set monetization preferences. Get reviewed. Fourth one, get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So here the new rules are saying 4,000 watch hours and in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So that you have to reach this time. So just start this one. Start. It will take you. So here YouTube partner program terms are there. Monetization revenues, YouTube will pay you as follows, and all these things are given, and payment account requirement and payment terms, limitations and taxes and all those things are there. Termination, governing law and all those things, and you have to go through all these things. Then I have read and agree to the terms above, because I know all the terms and conditions, so I am putting this. You go through them and put this one also. I agree that I will not click on the Google ads that I am serving through Google's products and services in order to fraudulently increase income. I will not opt in any content for monetization for which I do not possess sufficient rights. So then you have to put I accept. It will take time and it will come. Now YouTube partner program terms accepted. So now the second step is sign up for AdSense. Start. So if you don't have the account, then only start. Otherwise you can if you have the other account is there, don't open another account. Only Google AdSense one account is enough for all the channels or for all the websites and all those things. So here I am going to next. So I am opening this JOX online courses. Use a different account. URL of site is this. Get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance sessions. No, don't send me customized. It is up to your choice. So I am asking for initially if you are the first time if you are doing this, then ask for this. Yes, country, then you have to fill this country. You have to select our country, whichever is your country you can select. I am selecting India. You can select your own country. Then please review and accept our terms and conditions. You have to go through this terms and services conditions. Then after going through, you just put yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Create account. So it will take you once again. Get started. Account type. You have to write customer information and all those things. Individual, name and address. Name here you have to write. For here you have to write your total name. Individual you are writing. So here you have to write your name, complete name. Then write down the address line. You check this is the legal address of your business or home. So address line 1 is required. So write down your address. So after filling the address, name and address properly, then submit. It will redirect to the channel. So here it will take time and you will get a letter to your address. So set monetization process, preferences. So start, display ads, you keep as it is, then save. So it is also over. So this is the thing. So get reviewed after reaching 4000 only, so you cannot do anything. They will do that for your purposes. Return to YouTube Studio. So this is the thing. So later on we have to customize the channel, that we will discuss in the next YouTube channel videos. Thank you.